This is not your average F-150. This one's supercharged, slammed, and built to shock people. 500 horsepower in a luxury pickup. Yeah, this gets crazy. You've never seen a 2009 Ford F-150 like this before. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And if you love power, presence, and builds that stop people in their tracks, you need to hit that subscribe button right now, because today we're not just looking at a truck, we're looking at a statement. This is a 2009 Ford F-150 Lariat, but don't let that badge fool you, because this isn't your average pickup. This is a fully transformed, supercharged custom show truck built to dominate the street and steal the spotlight everywhere it goes. Finished in a deep, aggressive blue over a full ebony leather interior, this truck doesn't whisper luxury, it announces it. But the real story starts under the hood. From the factory, this truck came with a 5.4-liter Triton V8, a solid, dependable engine, but in this build, stock was never the goal, because now it's force-fed by a ProCharger supercharger paired with a high-performance intercooler system, turning this once mild V8 into a boosted monster. We're talking about a truck that goes from everyday capability to a machine pushing well into the 450 to 500 horsepower range, delivering power instantly, aggressively, and with authority. And when you press that throttle, it doesn't just move, it surges. That power is sent through a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you effortless acceleration while still maintaining drivability, making this build just as comfortable cruising down the highway as it is turning heads downtown. And then there's the sound. A full catback exhaust system paired with a Borla muffler transforms this truck's voice into something unforgettable. It's deep, it's aggressive, it's clean, not overly loud, but just enough to let everyone around you know this is not a stock truck. Now let's talk about stance, because this is where things get serious. This F-150 sits on a professionally installed McGaughys suspension drop, lowering it 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear. And the result? A perfectly balanced, aggressive street stance that completely changes the truck's personality. It looks faster, it looks wider, it looks planted, and paired with those 20-inch custom-painted XD wheels, this truck doesn't just sit right, it sits perfectly. Everything about this build has been designed with intention. Nothing is random, nothing is out of place. This is what happens when performance meets precision styling, but here's what makes this build even more impressive. It hasn't sacrificed comfort to achieve this look. Step inside and you're surrounded by everything you'd expect from a top-tier Lariat trim. Heated and cooled leather seats welcome you in, offering both luxury and functionality in any season. Power seats, windows, mirrors, and locks give you full control at your fingertips, while the Sync infotainment system with a 6-disc in-dash CD player keeps the experience connected and immersive. The cabin is quiet when you want it to be, refined when you need it to be, and powerful when you demand it. Dual zone climate control, cruise control, tilt steering, every detail is still here, reminding you that beneath all the performance and custom work, this is still a premium truck at its core. And safety hasn't been overlooked either. With driver, passenger, and side airbags, anti-lock power disc brakes, and an anti-theft system, this truck blends performance with peace of mind. Now, let's step back for a second and really take this in, because builds like this don't just happen overnight. This is time. This is investment. This is vision brought to life. From the supercharger setup, to the suspension drop, to the wheels, the exhaust, the stance, every element has been carefully chosen to create something unique, something that stands out in a sea of stock trucks. And that brings us to the price. At just under $40,000, this truck sits in a very interesting space, because you could go out and buy a newer truck for that money, but you won't get this level of personality, you won't get this level of customization, and you definitely won't get this kind of presence. This isn't about buying transportation. This is about owning something that makes a statement every time you start it. Something that turns heads at every light. Something that makes people stop, look, and ask, what is that? Because this is not just a truck, it's a build. It's a vibe, it's a reflection of power, style, and individuality. So the real question is, would you drive it? Would you take this supercharged F-150 out on the streets knowing every eye is on you? Or would you keep it clean, park it at shows, and let it speak for itself? Let me know down in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more high-end builds just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.